Are you interested in starting a career in cybersecurity but not sure where to begin? In this video, I will provide you with a roadmap to kickstart your journey as a beginner in cybersecurity, along with sharing my own career path. I'm going to break this roadmap into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Decide or make a plan. First and foremost, decide if cybersecurity is your true interest. This decision-making process is not only limited to cybersecurity career. Choosing the right career path is a crucial decision that can impact your life. A career that aligns with your values and goals can provide opportunities for continuous learning and skill development, which can lead to career advancement and personal growth. Plus, a career in high-pay demand or with good salary can bring financial security, helping you reach your long-term goals. When I started thinking about going into cybersecurity, I was overwhelmed by the vast amount of information out there. But I did not let that stop me. I did some research. I wanted something that would keep me learning and growing. A field that's constantly evolving, where there are always new challenges to tackle. Plus, I was looking for something with good job security. A field where there's always a demand for qualified people. And let's not forget, financial stability is important too. Ideally, I wanted a career that could offer a good salary. So after considering all that, cybersecurity just seemed like the perfect fit. It checked all the boxes for me. Step 2. Explore your interests. After making a decision to go into cybersecurity career, the next step is to explore your interests. Cybersecurity is a broad field. There are various paths you can take, such as becoming a security analyst, penetration tester, or security architect. Find out which area aligns best with your interests and goals. After I made a decision to pursue cybersecurity career, I started by researching various roles within cybersecurity. Each role has its own responsibilities and skill requirements. Then I look at the job market itself. I check job postings, look at industry reports, and even talk to some people in the field. I wanted to see which roles were actually in high demand. Where the jobs were. After all that research, a few things really resonated with me. Preventing cyber attacks, testing security weaknesses, and even developing security solutions. I decided penetration testing seemed like the best fit for me. It combines a bunch of things I found interesting, like finding vulnerabilities and using those skills to improve security. I started researching schools. I looked at colleges and universities to see what programs they offer and how well they lined up with what I wanted to do as a penetration tester. After a few weeks of research, I realized that starting at a community college was the perfect fit for me. It was affordable, offered the courses I needed, and it was a great way to get started. But online courses or boot camp can be another way to go too, depending on your situation. Step 3. Learn IT fundamentals. After you identify your interests, familiarize yourself with the various fundamentals of computer networks and various operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Understanding how computers communicate and the different components that make up a network is crucial. Networks and operating systems form the infrastructures that cyber attacks target. Knowing how data flows through the network and how operating systems manage resources helps cybersecurity professionals identify weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Also, learn some basic programming or scripting languages. Python, C++, Bash, or SQL. Many security tasks are repetitive and time-consuming. By writing scripts or programs, you can automate these tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more complex issues. Python is a good place to start if you want to learn programming. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language, popular for its readability, extensive libraries, and automation capabilities. Even though I took some networking and programming classes in college, I wasn't particularly confident within my ability. It took a lot of work to get back up to speed. It almost felt like I was learning everything from scratch again. And that's completely normal. Having a lot of classes in college can make it hard to retain everything. Step 4. Get technical skills. After you learn the fundamentals of computer networks and various operating systems, the next thing is to get technical skills. Don't just learn about cybersecurity. Get your hands dirty. Practice, practice, practice. Set up your own lab environment to test your skills in a safe and controlled setting. This practical experience is essential for bridging the gap between theory and practice in the field of cybersecurity. After I started to feel a little more confident within myself, I started to dive deeper into cybersecurity tools. Think of it like building your own practice range. Instead of shooting targets, you'll be using tools to explore vulnerabilities and security measures in a safe, controlled environment. We call this a virtual lab. There are software like VirtualBox or VMware that let you create virtual machines on your computer. These are like separate computers where you can experiment with different tools. There are tons of great options. Some popular ones include Wireshark, Nmap, and Metasploit. Wireshark lets you see what kind of data is flowing through a network. Nmap helps you scan systems for vulnerabilities. And Metasploit can stimulate attacks to see how system holds up. So basically, learning how to use the tools hackers use, but for good, not for malicious purposes. By understanding how these tools work, you can identify weaknesses in systems before malicious actors exploit them. Moreover, participating in security challenges like Capture the Flag, Hack the Box competitions allow you to stay current with the latest trends and threats in cybersecurity. This continual learning process is essential for staying ahead of cyber threats and protecting organizations from potential attacks. Finally, step 5, get certified. Once you have a solid foundation, consider getting certified. Certifications are highly valuable for cybersecurity professionals, acting as a stamp of approval for your knowledge and skills. Certification demonstrates to employers that you've acquired a specific body of knowledge in a particular cybersecurity domain. This can be especially helpful if you're coming from a different IT background or are new to the workforce. Beginners-friendly certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and System Security Certified Practitioners or SSCP are widely considered the gold standard for entry-level cybersecurity professionals. It covers a broad range of security topics like network security, cryptography, and risk management. The best certification for you depends on your background, interests, and career goals. For me, I went straight for the Ethical Hacking certification. The CEH is one of the required baseline certifications for many different cybersecurity roles. Ethical Hacking certification covers the fundamental of hacking and penetration testing. This includes how hackers think and operate, as well as learning the tools and techniques they use. Network security is another crucial topic covered in a certified Ethical Hacking certification. This includes learning about network vulnerabilities, encryption, firewalls, and how to secure network and cyber attacks. Follow these steps, stay committed, and you will be on your way to a successful career in cybersecurity. Remember, cybersecurity is a continuous learning process. Stay curious, keep practicing, and never stop exploring new ideas and technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you stay up to date with my cybersecurity adventure. See you in the next video.